Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. And for anybody who thinks I may have been conning them and I need a new charger, well, I just unplugged this from the power strip to try to plug it in. And what did I find on the bed? This. And this. And that probably means this charger was about to go. It had been pulled on too much by the chair, and there's a burn mark on it, I think. Of course, I can't see very well, but so that's why the iPad, the MacBook is not charging, and so this is definitely why it was not working. So I just want to show everybody this and this. This is now the end of the MacBook. Now you can save these parts. But I don't know if these can be repaired or not. I'll take it to the store and ask them. But that's probably the actual reason why my MacBook would no longer charge, because the actual physical cable got damaged somehow or decided to die. I mean, this is an old brick. I don't think it's an actual, wait a minute, maybe. Hold on. One thing I hate about not being able to see. Now, this is not actual Apple. This is replacement AC adapter. I don't remember if an Apple one is any better than these. I know Apple ones cost $54 or more, refurbished. But I bought this a couple of years ago. The original one that came with the thing, that broke. So this is it, folks. This is why I can't charge the MacBook and why I can't do live videos. So here we have the end of the cable at the end of the line with what looks like a burn mark on it. So maybe it's shorted out, or or overheated, and the glue separated. So I just want to show you that. I just found this. C.R. Barboni said, have you tried it in another power strip? I tried it in several, but I was going to plug it into the wall. And I can't now. Because, well, I can't because there would be no indicator because it's not connected anymore. It's broken. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and more adventures in Mac computing. I'm going to go feed the cats and then beat my head against the wall a couple hundred times. It would feel good. God, what a weekend. All right, stay warm, dry, wet, or cool out there, whichever your choice, and stay safe, and I hope you got extra computers where you live. Bye-bye for now.